Okay, you want to show me you can read? Okay.
Dog.
Good. What's next?
Cat.
Yeah.
Okay. Hog.
Good.
Pig.
Good.
Dad.
Good.
Got.
Good girl.
I got you.
I got you. What's next? Sis.
Sis.
Yeah. What's up high? What's over there? What's right here? What's right here? Can you read that one?
Hug.
Good girl. What's next? What's right below hug? What's this?
Armpit.
What's under that? What is that? What's this right here?
Bat.
Bat. Very good. Are you reading?
Yes.
Yay!